Hi guys, so myself I'm Surya, .NET trainer, and in this session we are going to start a new .NET classes. Okay, so exactly in this video we are going to discuss about the what is .NET and what we need to study for .NET. So entire details. So we are going to cover in this demo session. Okay, coming to the title or title is .NET. So what is this .NET means? .NET means nothing but a abbreviates that network enabled technology. Okay. Now coming to the points and so definition of .NET is .NET is a framework and a software software product which is discovered by discovered by Microsoft for 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 developing a various types of applications. Okay, so yeah. So .NET is nothing but it is a framework and it is also a software product. So which is using to develop a various types of application and it is discovered by Microsoft and using .NET using .NET we can develop web applications and desktop applications and mobile applications. Like it include gaming applications and we are multiple things we have can develop. So mainly various applications means like web applications we can develop, desktop applications we can develop, and mobile applications also we can develop using this .NET. And to develop the .NET applications .NET supports .NET supports 30 plus languages. Okay, so what is this point was saying means using this .NET, like it can support the multiple languages. There is a like includes we can just look at here. It includes Java and C Sharp and F Sharp and VB. So we have a etc. So we have a in like 30 plus etc. languages we have here. Here here most of the most of the organizations prefers C sharp. Most of the organizations prefer C sharp for .NET. .NET because because C sharp is extension C sharp is extension of C sharp is extension of C, C++, as well as it is it is Microsoft introduced language. So this is the one of the reason. Why? Because um, so .NET technology is owned by Microsoft, and why especially here we are using this C sharp means C sharp also one of the language developed by this .NET developers. Okay, so this is the another reason. So only these are the not reason, and and C sharp contains multiple features, multiple features also. Okay, like platform independent, object oriented, and secure. So multiple features we have. That's why we are using this C sharp. Okay, so to develop a .NET, so that's why it okay. Again, I'm giving one thing. So that's why we can say it is a C sharp .NET. So in this total sessions, we are going to learn the C sharp .NET. So before developing the C sharp .NET, we need to know C sharp. Okay, fine. And I'm giving the extra point in current market. In current market, 70 percentage of organizations are developing the applications using this .NET and a Java. Okay, so this is the another reason. So most of the companies are also preferring the mostly this C sharp was .NET and Java to develop the applications. Okay, so guys, I hope you are getting the basic knowledge on this .NET. So this is simply introduction of .NET. .NET is nothing but one of the product released by Microsoft. Why they are developed means because of to develop a because of to develop a various type of application. Why? Because if we can develop this web application, we require a VB script or PHP or JavaScript. And to develop a desktop applications, we require a C or C++. But coming to the mobile applications, so this is the main motto .NET. What in .NET, we can develop mobile applications, desktop applications, and web applications. Okay, so this is about the .NET introduction. Okay, now finally, in particularly in our sessions, what we are going to cover means, so I'm going to cover the mainly three topics. One is so we are going to study all this concept. One is C sharp .NET, and second thing ASP.NET, and third thing ADO dot. Okay, so these are the topics we are going to cover. Okay, clear? So what is the C sharp .NET means? Here we required only so here we are going to study only this programming language called C sharp. Coming to ASP, Here, combining the HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript plus C sharp. And what is this ADO means? Combining the SQL server plus C sharp. Okay. So this is about the introduction of .NET. So mainly, simple guys, you need to remember that .NET is nothing but one of the software product released by Microsoft to develop a various type of applications. Okay, okay guys. Okay, clear. So this is about the introduction of .NET. Okay, and in next video we are going to start the what is a full stack and why we are going to study the C sharp and ASP and AD. So that is the thing we are going to start, and then we are going to start the C sharp tutorial. Clear, guys? Yeah. Okay. So if you are hope like this video, and please do watch, like, share, and subscribe to Surya EduTech, and who are going to start a IT career, who are required at trainings. So please go and see the description, and there is some contact numbers. So please contact. Thank you, guys.